Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix display adapter status error like this. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your search box and type a device manager. Open a device manager, go to your views, click on show hidden devices. After doing this step, go to your display adapter and expand it. After doing this step, uninstall all devices if installed one by one in display adapter. After doing this step, go to your system devices and delete all these driver one by one, and also delete or uninstall ATI PCI 3G10 fiber driver if installed. Then after deleting all these or deleting or uninstall all these devices, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.